13th April 2010, Big C's flagship store was burned during civil riots in Bangkok. In an instant, a shopping home for thousands in the city center was gone. Shoppers were forced to shop elsewhere for an entire year. Finally, after extensive restoration, Big C was ready to be given back to the people who had missed it for so long. The challenge: would they come back? The solution: create a grand opening promotion that welcomed back the whole city with something everyone could enjoy. Combine the benefits of promotion with the joy of a true celebration. Discount fireworks. As each firework exploded, its glittering lights shaped a number, which represented a cash discount. Heavily promoted before the show, a huge crowd turned out. All they had to do was photograph the exploding numbers with their phone cameras. And redeem the images as coupons in store. The result: the first day's traffic was double the normal volume. Sales spiked 35% and over 12,000 coupons were redeemed. It even went viral, with shoppers sharing the news via social media and sending each other the coupon photos. News coverage reached 8 million people. Perhaps more importantly, something other than sales was gained as well: the citywide feeling that their Big C was back.